Okay, my name is Jackie Knight and I live in Cavan, and due to family circumstances I had to make a decision to let my son and his future wife take over the big house and find alternative accommodation for myself. So I started to look for log cabins. After trying several different companies and doing a lot of research, I went to the Beaver Log Cabin showroom outside Swords. I met with Kelsey, and by the end of the hour that I spent with her, she had a sale. She had Trevor on speakerphone within 10 minutes, and he talked me through the whole process. Everything that he said made sense and I could understand it, and we had a great relationship. The guys that came to do the groundworks, I worked from home, I was working from the conservatory, and I was just watching them do their stuff, and it was amazing. There were 6 guys on site. Everybody knew what they were doing, and it just went like clockwork. Absolutely brilliant. My friends and my family thought I was absolutely off my rocker to even consider it, but it's just my little bit of heaven, and I'm so relaxed. It's so comfortable to live in, to work in, just to sit down at night, look out. I have a beautiful tree in the back garden. Sit down at night. It is wonderful, a marvellous experience. Extremely happy with the results. Can't believe it. Really delighted with the whole experience with them and the end result. 100% without any shadow of a doubt, I would recommend them. And the whole team were absolutely amazing from start to finish.